Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning off the Usage Diagnostics reporting utility on your Android phone. Basically, it's not required for system updates, but if you want to just turn off additional telemetry, sending, and tracking information, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the security and privacy tile. Go all the way down underneath other settings where it says more security and privacy. Select that. And then scroll down again underneath usage and diagnostics and select that tile. You can go ahead and turn on or off usage and diagnostic sending by clicking on this oval up at the top. If it's grayed out, it means it's turned off. If it's lit up blue, it means it's enabled. And you can read additional information about what usage and diagnostics tracks down here. But like I said earlier, that turning off this feature does not affect your device's ability to send the information needed for essential services such as system updates and security. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.